Good morning, dear students. Welcome to new class 12th. Today we will discuss syllabus of class 12th IP. In this syllabus, we are having 4 different units. First unit is data handling using pandas and data visualization. Second unit is SQL. Third unit is computer networks. Fourth unit is societal impacts. The learning outcome of this syllabus is how we can analyze the data using different data structure which is given by the Python, that is series, data frames, NumPy array. NumPy array is that we have discussed in class 11th also. Now second is data visualization, which is very important topic in Python. That is, with the help of this tool we can create graphs and plots in programming. The next topic is SQL, that is for database management system. For every project we have to store some data, so for this we will use the technology database. In our syllabus MySQL is there, which was there earlier in class 11th also. Now next topic is computer network. This is introduced in this session. Last session it was not there. In place of this there was Django. And the last one is societal impacts of computer technology and networking. So this is again a very important topic. This is your first unit, as you can see. In this unit we are having Python pandas, 2 chapters regarding Python pandas. In first chapter we are having series and different operations that we can perform on series, and data frames like sorting, aggregation, deletion, renaming, pivoting. After that you can see data visualization is there, matplot. Now you can create different type of graphs: bar graphs, histograph, pie graph, frequency polygon, box plot, and scatter plot. This is very interesting because when you will write the code and you will get the graph display on your screen, this is something very interesting. Next topic is database query language. All these are the function which is used on the data that's stored in tabular form. We know that in SQL data is stored in tabular form. So all these operations that you can see on the screen, that we can apply on the table. Now next is introduction to computer network. Network, you know what is network from earlier class in 9th and 12th, 10th we have already discussed. This is LAN, MAN, WAN, local area network and all that type of the network. Different network devices, different patterns, topologies in which we can connect the computers and devices on the network. Next is introduction to URL, web chatting, email, VoIP. All these that you're aware somehow. Now next is societal impact. Societal impact is open source and free softwares technology, and the different small terms that you should know about the computer technology, that is cybercrime, cyber laws, hacking, phishing, cyberbullying, e-waste management. After this we are having, in this session we have to create one project in SQL and Python. In the group of 2 or 3 students, project can be prepared in which Python can be used as the front end and the database MySQL will be used to store the data. There are different tools available in Python programming. With the help of that you can create easily. So this is our syllabus This is a practical marks distribution for practical examination. Pandas and Matplotlib contains 8 marks. Queries contains 5 marks. The file you will create for programs contains 5 marks. The project file that you will create is for 7 marks and the Viva for 5 marks. This is the list given for the practical file. First one is data handling. In this we have to write the program about series and data frame and visualization using PyPlot. Matplotlib library is there. Then with the help of SQL we have to write different queries. Then how we can configure the small network, different technologies. So this is our syllabus, and the books we will refer for class 12th is Sumita Arora by class 12th, and Preeti Arora, Informatics Practices, class 12th. One book is there also which is given by CBSE, that is also available online. I will send you. I hope you will find it useful for your preparation. Tomorrow I will send some material to you for the practice. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.